Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So as you must have already learned from the video description title, we would be reviewing a wonderful brow product that I have discovered and I have been testing it out for the last 1 month and I'm absolutely blown away with the results. So today we are going to be talking about and reviewing the Revitabrow Advanced Eyebrow Conditioner by Revitalash. So without much ado, let's dive right into the review. So before I dig in deeper into the review, I wanted to briefly touch upon why is it that thick, healthy brows have suddenly become a trend, and why is it that every woman is now seeking heavy, thick, bushy brows? Well, come to think of it, it's common sense. So basically, your brows, and your hair for that matter, provide a frame to the overall picture. So imagine a picture with a frame and imagine a picture without a frame. So obviously the picture with a frame looks better, it has more definition, and it just basically looks more enhanced. So same goes for our brows. The brows and our hair provide the framework for the overall definition of our face, and it basically provides that enhanced framework and to really enhance the look of our makeup as well. And that is the reason why thicker and heavy brows are more sought after. Now getting back to the review. Now I have given this product 1 full month before I thought I'd review it. I don't have before after pictures, reason being that I wasn't sure that this would really work and I wasn't sure that I'd actually be reviewing the product. This was just pure serendipity that I actually encountered this product and I was experimenting with it. Not sure that I'd be getting results, because I don't really trust every product that easily. But I will link a video of my brow tutorial that I did a few months back, and I would also insert a close-up of my brows right now so you can see the difference as to how this brow product has been working for me for the past month. Now as you can see from the video, I do not really have very thin, sparse brows, but I was dealing with tiny little gaps between the brows, and my brow hairs wasn't growing back as fast as it would normally, probably because I have been guilty of having overplucked them in the past, and they were not growing back as fast. And on a side note, I do eat healthy, I do have my vitamins and all of that, so all that is taken care of, and I was noticing that those little tiny brow hairs, they were not growing back as fast as they would normally. So I was hunting for a really good brow product, and I have used Revitalash for my lashes in the past, but it did work, alright, don't get me wrong, that product really worked, but I did have a side effect to it. But what the Revitalash did was, while it gave me really good thick lashes, I started getting dark circles as a side effect, so I had to stop using it. So I didn't really want to compromise bigger eyelashes for dark circles, so I stopped using the product. But in the process, I did discover a better and a much safer alternative for eyelash growth. So if you would want to see that video, let me know in the comments below and I'll review that for you. Coming back to the brow. Now because the Revitalash worked for my eyelashes so well, I thought I'd give the Revitabrow a try. Now I can say this with absolute certainty, and mind you, this video is not being sponsored. This brow product has worked like a magic potion for my brows. How has it worked? Now a few observations. I noticed that my tiny hair started to grow back much faster, and my brows came back darker, thicker, and they started looking healthier. And all those tiny gaps that I had have now gone in 1 month. And believe you me, I would give any product at least 3 months, at a minimum, at least 3 months to give it a review. But this brow product has worked so well that I can say for a fact that my brows now look much healthier. And right now in this video, I don't have any brow makeup at all. I don't have any brow pencil, I don't have any kind of brow gel, I have nothing on my brows. As you can see, there's nothing on my brows. I have no brow makeup at all. So this is what this brow product has done for me. Now talking about the price, this product retails at $110 and I got it from dermstore.com, and it gives you a 4-month supply. Now, you're supposed to use it once a day at night, that's what I do. So primarily what the product is doing is that it improves the appearance of fine, overly groomed or patchy brows, and it is formulated with peptides and biotin. This brow treatment promotes healthier looking brows, while Panax, ginseng extracts and wheat proteins create a thicker and more voluminous appearance. And I can say this for a fact that all that is written is absolutely true, because this is exactly what I've experienced with this particular brow product. And the green tea extract further provides you with that antioxidant protection against environmental aggressors, so you're not damaging your brows if you're really living in a polluted environment, and it really protects you from the external toxins. So if you're really looking to upgrade your brow game, and if you have used brow products in the past that have not worked and have proved to be just a damn squib, I would definitely steer you towards the Revitabrow Advanced Eyebrow Conditioner. Now, that being said, I would also recommend that do not over tweeze your brows while you're using this. You can just take off those little stray tiny hairs that are outside of your brow boundary, but do not over tweeze your hair. So if you have any bald spots on your eyebrows, I'm sure this should help you. But also take care of your nutrition, your diet, your stress levels. All that has to be taken into account, because this is again a very topical product. It does work topically, but you have to make sure that you are well nourished on the inside, because girls, it is true that beauty starts from within. Your emotional state, your physical state, your mental state, your spiritual state is so very important to maintaining the results, because all the hard work that we do is all going to be in vain if you're not really taking care of your body. So do remember that with health comes beauty, and not the other way around. You have to be healthy on the inside in order to get the full results, because it is again a very comprehensive package. It's just not that one product, it's just not that one thing that you do that's going to take care of everything. You have to ensure that your adrenals are healthy, that you're getting good sleep, that your stress levels are low, that you're really well hydrated, your sugar levels are almost zero. So those are very basic pointers on a side note. To maintain the results of all the hard work that you're putting in. So that being said, while this product is expensive, you really get the results for what you pay for, because this is really cutting edge in terms of the ingredients and the technology that they have utilized. And the other thing is that it will last you a long time, so you don't have to keep repurchasing it every month. This will last you at least 3 to 4 months, and I'm on the first one, and I have just used it 1 month, and I'm already starting to see the results. I will let you know in the next few months how my results are. So if you want to watch a follow-up review to this video, do comment on the video below, and I will be sure to record another review a few months down the road after I start to see real benefits from this product, and I'm sure I will. So I was so impressed with the results of the Revitabrow that I actually invested in the volume enhancing foam by Revitalash, and just to see how it works on my baby hair along my hairline, because my baby hair tend to really grow really slow, so I wanted to speed up the process. So if you want to watch a review on this product, be sure to comment on the video below. I'd be really happy to review this product as well. Alright guys, thank you for your time, thank you for dropping by. So if you like the video, do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit on that little bell icon. Just hit on that so that you are notified as soon as I upload a video and it comes directly to your inbox. Alright guys, I really loved hanging out with you, and I hope to continue this journey of discovering and reviewing more beautiful, credible products in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of good energy. Stay well wherever you are in the world, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye for now.